Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. This is going to be a how-to pull away on a motorcycle. Now I must point out, this is not a beginner bike. This is a 165 brake horsepower super naked. Not something you really want to look to ride for the first time. However, the principles are still the same. If it's a 50cc or 125cc geared motorbike, they operate exactly the same. So just throw a leg over and I'll walk you through what each lever and pedal does. First of all, this lever here on your left, typically that's a rear brake if you're riding a push bike, not on a motorbike. This lever here on your left hand side, when you pull it, that activates the clutch. Where are the gears, you ask? They are here on your left foot, by your left foot even. When I press down on the pedal, that puts it into first gear, and then to go up the gearbox, that's second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then when I want to come back down the gearbox, fifth, fourth, third, second, and then first obviously, and then neutral is in between first and second. This lever here is your front brake lever. As for your rear, that's by your right foot. Just press down on that pedal, and the harder you press it obviously, the stronger the braking power is. How do you apply engine power? This here, this is your throttle. Okay, so you twist to increase power. Now let's start the bike up. We are in neutral here. I can see there is a big N. Should always make sure you are in neutral before you start the bike up. Now to pull away, we know our clutch is on the left hand side. Okay, so we're going to activate that by pulling the lever in. We want to activate a gear, so we press down on the peg. We know it's one down, and what you would simply need to do in order to pull away on this bike, I don't need to give it any power, so I'm going to leave the throttle alone. Okay, I'm not touching the throttle. We're simply going to just slowly release the clutch lever, and we're not going to add any power. The engine is just on tick over, gonna pull us along. Now to come to a stop, clutch in, front brake, and easy as that. How about we add some throttle, some power? We know the throttle here. Very good. So we want to put the bike back into gear. We're in neutral currently, so we take our left hand, we pull the lever in, put the bike into first gear. What we'll do is just give the bike a slight bit of throttle. We can hear the engine RPM increasing. Don't want to give it too much, and then what we can do is just release the clutch. We find the biting point and away we go. Throttle, off the throttle, clutch in, brake, stop. Now a quick demonstration on how you change gear when you are moving. So we pull away, letting the clutch out slowly, biting point. We're going to pick up some speed, the clutch is completely out, throttle, change gear, clutch in, throttle off, upshift on your left foot into second gear, clutch out, and we are in second gear. We can add some power. Of course, we only need to give this bike a slight twist of the wrist. So this video isn't going to be on, I'm not going to take you out on the road. It was just a video on how to pull away. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, let me know with a thumbs up, and yeah, hopefully you will subscribe to my channel as well. Lots of motorcycle content on this for you. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you later.